Mastering Passive Voice, The Power of Past Participle. Hello learners. Welcome to another exciting lesson on English grammar. Today, we're diving into the world of the passive voice, focusing specifically on how to use the past participle in passive voice. Remember, understanding the passive voice is crucial for improving your English comprehension and communication skills. To start with, let's refresh our understanding of the passive voice. The passive voice is a sentence structure where the subject is acted upon by the verb. For instance, in the sentence, "The cake was eaten by John," the cake, subject, is being acted upon, eaten, by John. Here, we're more interested in the action and its receiver than who or what performed it. Now, let's move on to the role of the past participle in passive voice. The past participle is essential in forming the passive voice. It's the third form of the verb, often ending in ed, d, t, n, or n for regular verbs. Some irregular verbs have unique forms. To form the passive voice, we use the appropriate form of the verb, to be, followed by the past participle of the main verb. For example, in the sentence, "The book was read by Mary," was is the correct form of the verb, to be, and read is the past participle of the verb, to read. In this section, let's look at more examples to understand the use of past participle in passive voice better. 1. Active. They built the house in 1990. Passive. The house was built in 1990. 2. Active. Sarah has eaten the cookies. Passive. The cookies have been eaten by Sarah. 3. Active. I will finish the work by tomorrow. Passive. The work will be finished by tomorrow. In each of these examples, the verb form of to be and the past participle form a passive construction. That wraps up our lesson on using the past participle in passive voice. Remember, the past participle is your key tool for constructing sentences in the passive voice. Keep practicing and you'll soon master this vital part of English grammar. Thank you for joining me today. Stay tuned for more lessons, and as always, happy learning.